welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here, and this is my anti-Valentine's Day look. If you're like me and absolutely hate Valentine's Day and want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so my eyebrows are done. I use my NYX micro brow pencil and my Maybelline volumizing fiber things, and then to prime my eyelids today I use some concealer. I just use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and then I just put on top of that my NYX jumbo eye pencil in milk. And to set that all, I use this shade right here, which is Clarity from the Shaaanxo the Remix palette. Alright, so the first shade I'm going to pop in my crease is this shade right here, which is a Buttercup, and this is, like I said, is going right in the crease. Next up, I'm going to pick up Buttercup and this shade right here, which is Terracotta, on the same brush, and I'm going to pop this in the crease. Next, using my Sigma E25, like I've been using, I'm going to take Buttercup, Terracotta, and the shade right here, which is Silhouette. And I'm just going to pop this all in the crease, but I really want to focus Silhouette a little closer to the lid. If that makes any sense, I will show you the best I can. Next up, I'm going to use this side of the palette, and I'm going to take this Ulta crease brush and this shade right here, which is Vampette, and I'm going to put this on the outer V area. Next, on the same brush, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Stalker, and I'm going to kind of put this just on the rest of the lid, blending it in with Vampette. Okay, sorry, my camera cut off, but I don't remember like where I left off, but I'm taking Stalker on the same brush that I applied Vampette with, and I'm just putting this on the rest of my lid. I'm just going to take this eyeshadow brush from BH and the shade Stalker, and I'm just going to pat it on one more time just because I feel like I didn't get every spot with that crease brush. Next up, I'm just going to take this clean Sonia Kashuk brush and just blend out that crease. And one more time, I'm just going to take the shade Stalker and pop this on the lid again, just because I feel like some of it got a little lost when I blended everything out. Alright, so I just cleaned up the outer V's with a baby wipe, and I didn't show that because I feel like I've showed it a million times before. So now I'm just going to take all the shades that we used in the crease and pop that on the lower lash line. I'm also just going to apply this Coastal Scents Express line eyeliner in black to my waterline. I've never used this before, so hopefully they're good. A little dry, kind of tugged, but it's okay. So I just got done finishing up my face. I added my mascara, highlight, bronzer, blush, all that fun stuff. So today for lips, I'm going to go in with this mini Kat Von D studded lipstick. Is that what they're called? Studded Kiss. I don't know. The name will be on screen. But this is in the shade Motorhead, and it's just really pretty, deep, plummy color. It's stunning, and I just thought it would be really fun with this look. that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you would like to see next, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments. I hope you all have a wonderful Valentine's Day if you do anything. Or if you're alone like me and won't be doing anything, I hope you find something fun to do as well. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!